Hang it off. Pradeep representing Kaizen.
Efficient, Shankar, efficient, chill.
And Shankar
Redrag.
Kaizen. And Pradeep
Sweep the foot.
representing Kranos. After all,
लेग में जा, लेग में ये लेना प्रदीप ऊपर नीचे
arm drag again, redrag and sweep.
प्रदीप ऊपर नीचे बॉडी लोग ले
No problem. Hips in. Beautiful.
Shankar with
Hips in.
Pradeep fighting with the Uchiwara. Nice struggle there.
There we go.
प्रदीप नीचे जाओ
No problem. Keep your hips in, bro.
ये जो अंदर हुक से
Be efficient.
अंदर हुक डालो अंदर हुक go for the leg
No worries.
go for the leg
Collar tie. Let's make him work. Push outs at a point, bro. Watch out.
And the push out.
push मत okay let's go
No worries.
प्रदीप ऊपर नीचे खेलो प्रदीप ऊपर नीचे
Take a
खेलो
shot as well, bro.
Taller fighter going
He's
for
standing
the
really upright. You can take a shot.
double collar ties.
ऊपर नीचे खेलो yes
Pradeep.
बॉडी लॉक हैंड लॉक करो
Double underhooks.
No worries. We still have time. 4 minutes to work.
Back to Uchimata. Double underhooks.
Hips in and lift.
हिप्स को
Pradeep with the overhooks.
नीचे जाने का कोशिश करो प्रदीप नीचे स्नैप करके नीचे जाओ
No worries.
ऊपर नीचे खेलो
Doing well, Shankar. Efficiency. Far foot. Sweep the far foot.
नीचे फट करके टेक डाउन लो भाई ये
No problem. Beautiful. Stuff the head.
फ्रंट हैंड लॉक
And that's Shankar down.
ट्रायंगल का ध्यान रखना इसका पाव लंबा है
That's points, bro.
प्रदीप ट्रायंगल का ध्यान रखना
3 minutes to work.
प्रदीप
3 minutes.
ट्रायंगल का ध्यान रखना शांति आया देखो
Knee pull.
कोई बात नहीं
And in frame.
एल्बो को निकालो ट्रायंगल आया
Nice.
yes keep circling out there
Pull his head.
try to pass
Get his pass.
side control go keep going yes very nice north south keep him there keep rotating yes stay in side control again
Total.
For a dance.
What's the task?
Looking for a
no problem उधर से निकलने की कोशिश
Set it
करो
up slowly, bro. Set it up slowly.
backing guard.
नी कट करने का कोशिश करो नी कट करने का
He is 3 points ahead in this matchup.
Shankar is down 3 points. Control is
Butterfly hook कर रहा है
Gotta sweep him.
Shankar
उठो nice
not getting.
leg
Back to neutral.
2 minutes to work. No worries.
come on Pradeep
The reversal gets Shankar 1 point. So
लेग में ऊपर जाके लेग में
Down 2 points. We have 2 minutes to work.
ऊपर जाके लेग में
Pradeep.
2 minutes to work, bro.
I mean, both these guys, the amount of
नीचे।
they spend standing up wrestling can be very
प्रदीप,
challenging
नीचे जाओ।
for these fighters. Shankar, tall and lanky. Pradeep, a little more muscular.
Nice, Shankar. Use the underhook.
वहाँ से लेके
Throw by from here.
So you see Shankar going.
नाइस कंट्रोल
Yes.
Back up. Watch the headlock. Watch the front head.
That's another point.
come लेने की कोशिश
Shankar, come up to your
करो
knees.
बैक में जाओ
Come up to your knees and pass.
कंट्रोल द एल्बो बैक में जाओ
Trying to work.
snap down
90 seconds, bro. 90
snap him
seconds.
down yes again go to the back Pradeep try to go to the back
Shankar, head in the center and
try
drag.
to go to the back thigh try
Shankar, head in the center and drag.
नी कट करो फिर से snap down फिर से yes very nice
Back switch.
very nice keep him there get the hooks come up climb up
Towards him.
climb up
End up on top.
उठो
End up on top. Watch the
high
track.
stop yes high stop keep high stop
Beautiful.
don't give that back
Take your time. Come
rotate
on.
nice
No worries.
get off
Just
bridge
50 seconds.
Pradeep try to breach
Shankar gains a point back.
Shankar, we're still down 2 points. We have 45 seconds.
Still 2 points ahead.
Pradeep
Down 2 points.
I need reversal
Seconds to work.
okay 30 seconds remaining I need reversal चाहिए
Finisher.
Look
Keep
at the
going.
triangle here. Look at
again
the triangle
दूसरा
here.
साइड में जाओ एक साइड नहीं हो रहा तो दूसरा साइड जाओ again there try to get up
Really working hard to
yes remove the hooks
Yes.
remove the hooks
Power half.
butter
Power
first
half.
gun पहले उठो हाँ hip up first not head hip up first clear the hooks
Under,
Don't kick it.
Shankar, double unders.
Don't give the neck. Fight the head.
Let's go. Hand fight.
Fight the heads.
Hand fight, no problem.
Fight the heads.
It's 4-3, Shankar.
Fight the heads.
You need to finish. 10
Fight the heads.
10 seconds to work, Shankar.
Fight the heads. Fight the heads.
To work, Shankar.
Fight the heads. Fight the heads. Don't tap.
Submission
Fight the
attack.
heads.
Submission attack.
Fight the heads. Fight the heads. No problem.
Somek versus Ethan. Off to a start. Somek from the Lucan. Ethan on the right.
Ethan, you can pull and enter the legs also.
Somek takes Ethan down.
Post karo. Head ko post karo.
Ethan, you lost the point there. You lost
Islam.
the point
Islam.
there.
Islam. Islam. There we go.
It's quite a tight attempt here.
Islam wala karo. Islam wala. Deep जाने का जरूरत नहीं है.
If you can.
यहाँ से. Get your legs.
Oh, gets the bar.
Get your legs. Get your legs. Get your leg. Almost.
Nice. Ethan, chill.
No problem.
No worries. Just focus on attacking from guard one. No problem.
Somek, दूसरा side. Misdirect.
Make your connections.
Misdirect.
No problem. Just
misdirect
make
करो.
connections, bro.
Stack करो उसको.
Nice.
Real scramble here from Somek.
Good attention. You can turtle if you need to.
फिर से.
Ethan low.
Turtle towards him and wrestle.
Attempt. Yes, back
Watch the
row.
hooks. Watch the hooks.
Somek looking
Bias the hips, bro. Bias the hips, Ethan. Bias the hips.
Stretch out करो इसको. Yes, stretch out करो.
Back escapes. No problem. Shoulders to the mat.
Somek body load लेने का कोशिश करो.
Shoulders to the mat.
a lot of work here from Somek.
Shoulders to the mat.
Okay,
Ethan.
रखो उधर रखो.
No problem. Look for it.
Somek, your favorite.
No worries.
Somek firing on 3 points here.
पाव देखना.
No worries at all.
Red gets one for getting out.
Nice.
Looking for the headlock. Watch out for the front head.
Switches positions.
Hips higher,
Gets the
Ethan.
back.
Nice, beautiful reversal. And again, look for it again.
Beautiful scramble here.
Somek, snap करो आगे, snap करो.
Front hand of defense.
पीछे. उसको stretch करो.
3 minutes on the clock. Anybody
Drag your head to the center. Frame the hips and bring your head to the center, Ethan.
looking for team there
Yeah,
from the
we'll see.
top.
We have 3 more matches.
That's a rare finish. Beautiful work there from Somek.
He'll go one more round.
Yeah, if it comes down to it, boys.
Gets the win.
Somek, one more.
At 3 points and Kaizen MMA.
मखा संगो, तक था दो, single leg दो.
No problem, Achut. Chill.
तानु.
Snap him. Look to foot sweep.
There's a
Look to foot trip. Nice. Control. No problem, Achut. Stabilize. Just stay stable.
नाम clear तो hook तो आदू को लिखा लो.
Achut, make him work.
लिखा लो.
Nice, make him work there. Just stay heavy on top.
really.
तुम थलो hip
Stay
escape
heavy on
तो.
top.
यानी hip escape तो back pin
Take
को.
the back. If you can, gift trap and take the back.
Clear the hook.
On top.
नाम clear the hook.
Double underhooks. Achut. Double
Clear the
underhooks.
hook लोग तो.
Body triangle if you can. If you can.
Yes. ले. यार triangle ला करी.
Take your time.
ये go.
Trap triangle.
Pass तो.
No worries, Achut. No
आदू
worries.
था दो आदू में चलो.
Now there are energy reserves before you know it.
On the foot. Turn it down. Stand up on it. Achut, you can build up on it. Build up on it.
सांगो.
Nice, bro.
Now we're not giving up on that. He's facing down.
No problem. Cross face in there.
चलो मखादा.
Cross face in there, bro. Cross face in there.
ना मखादा ले चलो. मखादा. Yes. तो.
Cross face in there.
Tire that muscle.
Okay. ले चलो आदू में तो. नाम.
He's not finishing with that, bro.
नाम था दो आदू में तो.
Watch your knee.
Hey, he's punching. Không, không. You want to do MMA? You want to do MMA? That's a foul.
He
gets advantage of possession.
Back because there was a moment there, Achyut.
Nam, hang on. Lôi chân lên đâu. Hang on.
Your favorite one.
Hey, hang on, Nam mai.
Gift up, but you take the back.
Mà không được clear đâu.
Or double underhooks here.
Mà không được clear đâu.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's okay, that's all right.
There by Achyut. Using
Mà không được, ơi.
same leg.
Anh đừng mang cái tao.
No problem.
Xong lại thôi, Nam.
Stabilize him here first, stabilize him here.
Llego.
Yeah, hand fight, take your time. Hand
Mà
fight,
không
take your time.
Mà không được kick tao, mày đó. Yare, lấy salo.
Take your time here, bro.
Shoulder clear.
Out of
Yeah. Nam point hindi ya देखो, Nam. Mana point ani hele. Point ahum hele. I need points. Go. I need 3 points. Support.
Go ahead.
Hit side. Nice, no problem. Achyut.
Chalo.
Full leg.
Point low. Up. Big turn up.
Achyut, turtle. We need to get out of this.
Atay su point matau tay.
Not sell.
Ngam atay su point matau tay.
Looks like Achyut was a little bit tired here from all the scrambles they had.
Mathak talao. Guard pass tao. Point matau tay.
Achyut is still up by 1 point. Regard.
Getting outward here.
Nice reversal. Stabilize.
Hey, ato ka laite. Makhong do. Matafay lao.
Stabilize, no problem.
Matafay lao laito. Laito hangula.
Achyut, 90 seconds to go.
Back pingo.
90 seconds left in this.
What up to
4 point. Ngam 4 point.
double underhook set.
Ngam 4 point tao. Nakhuta lao. Laito.
Come up.
Sasa tao.
Take the back again. Good job.
Ngam hangula.
That's it.
Get that leg free. Good. Nice.
Now another reversal. These guys have played it
Triangle la kari ko.
so many times.
Go your favorite.
Can Nam get a pass?
Laito lao.
Your favorite.
Achyut, pass to the other side. Pass your head to the other side. Pass your head to the other side. Nice. Up. Come up.
To the top.
Come on now.
Come up with it.
This can work. But
No,
Make it
doesn't
up.
have anything there.
Leg up.
far from now.
Achyut, up 2 points. Regard here.
Ngam. 39 seconds.
Mount.
Point ani.
29.
Take back.
Back lawa.
Going to the last time.
Nice. Out of bounds.
Sasa tao. 3 points. We need
28 seconds left in the match.
Keep tired. Come on.
Out of.
chalo.
Time on. The count clock is on.
Achyut, they're up by 2 points.
Now has to work.
Devo.
Take mount.
So let's
Achyut, prevent the mount there.
this point.
Ngam 10 seconds. We need 2 points.
Devo.
Ngam, we need 2 points.
Push out is not
2
a
time. Take down 2
Like
more.
the bottom if he rolls
Keep
out.
tired. Come on, man.
Take him down. Disengage. Take him down. 2 times.
Just prevent 1 point.
Yeah, pass
Prevent the score.
Yare mathaka. Mount chala. Sasa.
Don't let him pass. Do not let him pass here. 7 seconds. Don't let him pass here, bro.
Hey, pass down there.
Achyut,
That's it. Crazy as fucking that.
Yeah.
Give me fucking tension.
One for the crowd.
I think one of them will go again. So if Niranda is going, you go. If the other guy is going, you go.
Who would?
Ready for the start.
No worries, Shiv. Beautiful.
Reverse.
Just stable.
Reverse him, Varun. Don't lock his legs.
Make him work, Shiv.
Varun, don't lock his legs.
Make him work.
Varun, don't hold to the legs.
Make him work. He's gonna get tired eventually.
Use your hand to push his shoulder. Yes, push his shoulder.
He's gonna explode on you.
Shoulder, come
He's gonna
up.
explode
Pendulum
on you.
swing. Shoulder, come up. Get the underhook. Try to get the underhook.
Nice, nice. Up by 2 points, Shiv.
Okay, push his far shoulder.
No worries, no
Yes,
worries.
yes,
there.
yes. Keep that
Take your
forearm.
time, take your
Keep that
time.
forearm. Use the elbow. Keep that forearm. Yes, Varun.
2 points up to Varun. Keeping the pass, Varun fighting him off.
He's gonna turtle, he's gonna turtle.
No problem, no problem. Come up, come up, come up.
Oh, man.
Those people came different. This week
We have
is
to
different.
settle
Can do that or what?
the outcome of this event.
This is coming next week, man.
Niranjan immediately
Watch out for that
after
beautiful.
Whoa!
How beautiful is that?
Watch out, frame the hip, center to center, frame the hip, center to center.
Yeah!
Nice, nice, nice. No problem.
Let's go, go, go!
Good job, Varshas. No problem. You know that's coming now. You know that's coming. Look for the foot trip. Beautiful, beautiful takedown. Watch the back take. Watch the back take. Watch the back take. Nice, nice, nice. No problem.
Trading points there.
Oi.
Niranjan goes looking for a takedown.
Nice, Varshas. No worries, no worries. Control in there. Control in there. Control his posture.
Overhook there.
Get out, get out. This is where you wanted to be. Knee pull. Knee pull and control his posture.
You know what to do. Play safe.
Get up, get out. To get an underhook on the leg.
Overall.
Niranjan,
Pass guard.
right.
Get point. No problem.
Pass guard, get
Control the posture of the knee pull.
Watch his work.
Go safe.
Watch his
Yeah, collar tie, get an over and an underhook. Let's look for clamp guard here. Let's look for clamp guard here.
He's open,
Get out to the other side. Hip out to the other side.
Take a call probably here.
Hip out to the other side of the overhook.
The close
No
guard,
problem, no problem.
position
Knee pull again. Keep off balancing him. Doing really well here, watchers. Keep off balancing him.
Because it's not as
No problem, no
common
problem.
or easy to work.
You can look for the Kimura as well.
Struggle to make the grips required. So Watchers has a difficult proposal on his hand.
Keep knee pulling. Force his hands to go to the mat.
Niranjan, get out of the guard.
Watchers, knee pull to an angle.
That he has working for pendulum sweeps. Trying to get
Pass it. In an over.
both legs. There are a few elements to success for Watchers here. From the ball. Sits him back in the position.
The grip is too tight.
Inside tie on the right arm. Inside tie with the right arm.
Looking to walk inside.
Watchers, inside tie with the right arm.
Watchers
Knee pull and shrimp out to your left. Knee pull and shrimp out to your left side. There we go. Start looking for the triangle.
Down a couple of points.
Start looking for the triangle. Also off balance him here.
He has to open this guard.
You can off balance him here.
Get out, Niranjan. And this is actually something that a lot of fighters.
Nice, nice. Trap triangle. Control his posture here.
Niranjan has to maintain his head.
You can switch arms. You can switch arms to control the posture and cut an angle.
He's really
Right hand scoop grip. Right hand scoop grip. Right hand scoop grip, Varshas.
nice. Still a lot of work to convert.
Right hand scoop grip. Control the posture.
Now,
No worries. Niranjan, pass. Look to sweep and get on top.
He's putting a lot of weight on Watchers. This can be player. Difficult to make out how it's going. Both continuing to scramble here. Watchers has a call he has to take at some point.
Varshas, you can hip bump him. You can hip bump sweep him if he postures.
Niranjan.
No problem.
Beautiful. Works into half guard.
And half guard now. Look for your underhook or an octopus get up.
Watchers.
Look for an octopus get up.
Both these fighters with MMA-like styles, both trying to get top position.
Varshas, center. Varshas, if he tries to dart you, we're going to knee lever him.
A minute and 26 seconds left on the clock.
If he tries to finish this, Varshas, just knee lever him and sweep. Get on top. That's it. And look for your underhook. Look for your
Looking
underhook.
to get hip control here.
You have less than 90 seconds. We're 2 points down. We're just 2 points down.
Looking to pass.
Let's
Looking
get a
to
sweep
walk
and get
with
up.
knee free from between watches his guard.
Or just half butterfly if he puts that knee up.
Triangle up top.
Half butterfly if he puts that knee up.
Watches looking. Oh, gets a close guard. Maybe
2 points. We're 2 points down.
Let's go. This is
We need to
a
sweep
good
and get on top.
this far. Tries a paper cutter there. Watches has
Get
lost
out, get
some
out.
Good job, good job, good job.
Trying to go for a guillotine. Niranjan walks his head loose. Lot of action happening. Referee quite happy with the progress.
Nice, 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 nice. Let's come up, let's come up, let's come up. 30 seconds, bro. We need to get 2 points, 30 seconds.
Take him down. Get some points. Yep.
What's the shot? What's the shot? Go behind, go behind, go behind. No problem, no problem.
Take him down. Take him down.
Well on display here between these players. Both of them comfortable.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Nice, nice.
No problem, no problem. 15 seconds, watch out, 15 seconds. We have to go for this here, 15 seconds. Nice! No problem, no problem.
Now Watches has to go for a submission. Close guard, not the best position.
That's
to go for.
it. Yeah.
Whoa! Good match, bro, good match. Watch us up.
Niranjan getting the win for Kranos there.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
Time to start.